Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly change your life, passive income. Now, imagine waking up to find money in your bank account while you were sleeping. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's exactly what passive income can do for you. In this video, we'll explore 9 incredible perks of building passive income from the comfort of your home. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1. Financial freedom. First up, let's talk about financial freedom. According to a 2022 survey by Bankrate, nearly 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Building passive income can be a game changer here. Imagine earning money without actively working for it, whether it's through rental properties, dividends, or affiliate marketing. It's the ticket to a more secure financial future. Think about it, you could invest in a rental property or create an online course. Each month, as your income grows, you gain the freedom to travel, start new projects, or simply enjoy life without worrying about bills. Number 2. Flexibility and control. Next, let's discuss flexibility and control. Passive income streams can be set up to fit your lifestyle. You decide how much time to invest initially and how to manage your income later. For instance, if you love writing, starting a blog or self-publishing an ebook can be done on your terms. You can work during the hours that suit you best, whether that's early mornings or late at night. Number 3. Building wealth over time. Third on our list is building wealth over time. The power of compounding interest can't be overstated. According to Forbes, if you invest $10,000 at an average annual return of 7%, in just 30 years, you could see that grow to nearly $75,000. With passive income, not only do you have money coming in, but you're also investing it to grow even more. It's a snowball effect. Number 4. Diversification of income sources. Coming in at number 4 is diversification of income sources. Relying solely on one paycheck can be risky. Passive income allows you to create multiple income streams, which can stabilize your financial situation. You might have income from stocks, rental properties, and maybe even a side hustle like an online store. If one source falters, the others can keep you afloat. Number 5. Less stress and better health. Fifth on the list is less stress and better health. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical well-being. A study by the American Psychological Association found that money is the leading cause of stress for many people. With passive income, you can alleviate some of that pressure. More financial security means less anxiety, allowing you to focus on your health and happiness. Number 6. More time for hobbies and passions. Number 6 is more time for hobbies and passions. With passive income, you have the freedom to pursue what you love without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. Whether it's painting, gardening, or starting a podcast, having a steady income gives you the opportunity to invest time in your passions. Number 7. Legacy creation. 7th is legacy creation. Imagine being able to pass down wealth to your children or even support your community. Building passive income can help create a lasting legacy. Whether it's a rental property or an online business, you can create something that lasts beyond your lifetime, providing for future generations. Number 8. Learning and growth opportunities. 8th on our list is learning and growth opportunities. Building passive income often requires you to learn new skills like investing, marketing, or content creation. This not only boosts your income but also enhances your personal and professional growth, making you more marketable in the job market. Number 9. Community and networking. And finally, number 9 is community and networking. Many passive income streams involve connecting with others, whether it's through real estate investment groups or online forums. These connections can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and friendships, plus they're a great way to learn from others' experiences. So there you have it, 9 amazing perks of building passive income from home. Whether you're just starting or already on your journey, remember that every little step counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your passive income experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling and dreaming big.